I will never forget being a junior in college and taking an advanced level research methods class, and it was like the worst thing ever. I remember one day my professor is saying to us, once you learn how to actually read the data, you'll start to realize that a lot of these peer-reviewed articles aren't actually as significant as they seem to be. And that course was by far the hardest thing I've ever taken in the entirety of my bachelor's degree. You know what I found out? It is so hard to prove that a source is reputable. And you know why? Because you have to prove that it is peer-reviewed. You have to know stuff like who paid for the study, what the sample size was, who even peer-reviewed this study. You even have to prove that the sample size is an accurate representation or reflection of the population that the study chose it from. You have to look at the data and see if it's actually statistically significant, because there's levels to this shit and you have to know everything because you are the researcher. So if you're in a similar situation, let me show you the one thing that made my life so much easier back then. So I used this website called Inara, and the cool thing about it is that you can literally upload as many documents as you want. Once it's done being uploaded, you can put all these files into a folder. I just called mine climate paper because that's literally what I'm writing about. Then from here, you can literally see each peer-reviewed article side by side. There's even this super cool handy dandy chat feature that you can use where you can ask it any question you want. Look, it gives you such a detailed and long response. And if you're ever skeptical of the answers it's giving you, you can literally click on these tiles right here and it takes you exactly to the part of the article where it pulled its source from.